Openshot is a popular cross-platform video editor. What's more, it's available for free and open-sourced, which may be why it's a program of choice for many users, especially Linux ones. Despite all these advantages, you can often hear claims that it does not run smoothly, which makes it challenging to work on editing video files. However, this doesn't have to be the case, and today I would like to show you two of the simplest, but also from my own experience, most effective ways to improve the performance of Openshot. The entire presentation will be done on version 3.0.0. I invite you to watch. The first thing to do when starting a new project in Openshot should be to select the appropriate video profile, determining aspect ratio, resolution, and frame rate. Changing the profile during editing can cause complications and unwanted visual effects, so you must make an informed choice. Although the Openshot manual recommends setting a profile that immediately matches the desired parameters for the resulting file, it should be noted that selecting a profile for the preview area does not force you to use the same profile when exporting the video. Hence, this is why, when encountering performance difficulties, it is best to set a profile with a lower resolution than the target resolution but with the same aspect ratio and frame rate to maintain complete control during editing. Then the preview generation will require fewer resources and be done faster, and the work will become smoother. For example, we can take a situation where we ultimately want a video size of 1920 by 1080 pixels, so for the preview we choose a size of 1280 by 720 pixels. If you often use a particular profile, setting it as the default in the program's preferences is a good idea. Another thing that improves the efficiency of working with the program is allocating a larger area for the cache used during operation. The default is 512 megabytes, so probably the vast majority of users can afford to increase this value, leaving a safe margin for the work of other programs and the system itself. Making changes to the settings may require a restart of the application. If you have decided to set the preview profile to a smaller one, change it when exporting files to get the image of the desired size. These two basic settings can drastically change the program's performance, and I would recommend starting with them for performance improvements. We'll probably return to Openshot, but for now, thanks for your attention and until the next time.